Hey, I got a bonus video for you guys today. I took over 30 minutes of video, condensed it into just over a minute. I want to know what you guys think about it. Leave your comments in the comment section. Tell me if you like it. It's hyperactive. Hope you guys like it. Hi, Dr. Ace there at SoCal Chiropractic, where we strive to elevate your knowledge about how single effective neck adjustments can change life forever. You know the drill. This is a hyperactive video. Let me know what you think in those comments. See you guys next time.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. I know, you're doing fine. Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Woo.
Oh my gosh.
Good.
Oh, Lordy.
Good, nice. Are you messing with this? Is this as far up as you can look? Take a deep breath.
It hurts like
Headache. How bad your headache right now?
about an 8.
Gotcha. Now squat, please, for me. What is that at?
9.
And now,
I have no headache. I have no headache.
yeah, I have no headache.
I have no head too.
Look at the ceiling.
About a 5.
Gotcha. Take a deep breath. Good.
Deep breath.
Now the best one, squat. Watch her.